So let's say I want this button in a rounded rectangle with some shadow. So for that, what I can do is call background, and in the background, I can create a rounded rectangle with corner radius of 25 is fine. And then for this rounded rectangle, I want to fill it with white color, not black. And then let's give it a shadow of radius 2, and we can give a color as well, color of dark gray. So this would be the color of our shadow. Let's give some angle for our shadow. So to do so, from x-axis, let's give it 0 angle, but from y-axis we want to give 2, and now you can see some angle in your shadow in the y-axis. And now I want to give some padding so it looks better. So before this background modifier, let's give it a padding, and this would be a default padding, and now it looks much better. So it's a button with rounded rectangle and shadow, and this is how simple it is to create buttons with SwiftUI. Thank you so much for watching.